Feel free. English Club.
You're in a store. The shirt doesn't fit. You need to return it, but what do you say? Today, you'll learn exactly how to ask about sizes, prices, and returns. Real phrases, ready to use. Welcome to Fear-Free English Club. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Ben.
This is the podcast where you learn what to say when your brain stops working.
Because that happens to me a lot.
Every episode, we give you real English phrases you can use immediately. No textbooks, no boring grammar, just useful language for real life.
And today, Rachel, I have a story for you about shopping.
Oh, tell me.
So last week, I bought jeans online, and they were too small. Way too small. So I went to the store to return them.
Okay, sounds normal so far.
Yeah, but then the cashier asked me something, and I froze. I couldn't remember the word for getting my money back.
Refund?
Yes, refund. But in that moment, gone. I just stood there.
Ben, this is so common. And you know what? Shop in English is actually very predictable. The same phrases work almost every time.
That's good, because I really need them.
Here's the thing, Ben. When you forget a word in a store, it's not because your English is bad. It's because there's pressure. Someone is waiting.
Right, and my brain just leaves.
But the solution is simple. Learn backup phrases, little sentences that give you time. That's what we're teaching today.
Let's do it.
Here's your toolkit for today. 3 lines you can use in any store.
I'm ready.
Number 1, your time buyer, when you need a few seconds to think. Let me think. How do I say this?
Let me think. How do I say this?
Number 2, your rescue line, when you make a mistake. Sorry, what I mean is...
Sorry, what I mean is...
Number 3, to keep the conversation going. Oh, I see. So what should I do?
Oh, I see. So what should I do?
3 lines. Memorize these and you can survive any shopping situation.
If this toolkit is helpful, hit follow right now so you get the next episode. Okay, let's practice.
Let's start with sizes. You're in a store. You see a nice jacket, but you don't see your size.
Okay, this happens to me all the time. What do I say?
I'll be the store worker, you be the customer.
All right. Hello. I like this jacket, but it's too small. I need more big?
Good try, but we don't say more big. We say bigger.
Bigger, right.
For most short adjectives, we add ER. Small becomes smaller. Large becomes larger. Big becomes bigger.
What about more expensive? That's not expensiver.
Great question. Long words use more. Expensive, more expensive. Beautiful, more beautiful. But short words, bigger, smaller, cheaper.
Okay, so I need bigger, or I need a bigger size.
Both work, but the most natural phrase in a store is, do you have this in a larger size?
Do you have this in a larger size? I like the rhythm.
Good, and here's a useful tip. You can also say, do you have this in a size 10, or do you have this in small? Same pattern, different ending.
Oh, that's flexible. I like it.
That tip right there is going to help you in every clothing store. If it's useful, share this episode with a friend who's learning English too.
Mini dialogue 2. Asking about price.
Okay, what about prices? Sometimes I see something, but there's no price tag.
Easy. You ask, how much is this?
How much is this? That's it?
That's it. Or if you're holding something, you ask, how much does this cost?
What's the difference?
They mean the same thing. How much is this is shorter and more common. How much does this cost is also correct, but a little more formal.
Let me practice. Excuse me, how much is this?
That's $29.99.
$29.99, so that's $29.99?
Exactly. In English, we often drop dollars and cents. We just say the numbers. 15.50, 42.99.
So if someone says 10.50, that's $10.50.
Yes, you got it.
Nice. That confused me before.
Here's another useful question. Is this on sale?
What does that mean, on sale?
On sale means the price is lower than normal, a discount. So you might ask, is this on sale? And they might say, yes, it's 20% off.
Is this on sale? I'll remember that.
Mini Dialogue 3, returning an item.
Now let's practice returns. This is where you froze, right?
Yeah, the scary part.
It's not scary if you know the phrases. Let's practice. What do you want to return?
A shirt. Wrong color. I wanted blue, but I got really dark blue.
Navy.
What's navy?
Navy is a very dark blue, almost like black. It's a common color name in English, navy blue.
Okay, so I got navy, but I wanted regular blue.
Perfect. I'll be the cashier. Go ahead.
Hi, I want to give back this shirt?
Good start, but we say return, not give back. I'd like to return this shirt.
Oh, right. I'd like to return this shirt.
I'd like to is very polite, more polite than I want to. In stores, I'd like to sounds better.
Let me try again. Hi, I'd like to return this shirt.
Sure. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Is there anything wrong with it?
No, it's just, let me think. It's the wrong color. I wanted blue, but this is too dark.
No problem. Would you like an exchange or a refund?
Refund, please.
Perfect. I'll process that for you.
Thank you so much.
Then that was great. You used your time buyer, let me think. That's exactly what we practiced.
It actually worked. I didn't freeze.
And you remembered I'd like to return and refund. Those are the key words.
What's the difference again between exchange and refund?
Exchange means you trade the item for something different. Same price, different product. Refund means you get your money back.
So if I want different jeans, I ask for an exchange. If I want my money, I ask for a refund.
Exactly. Time for the fear-free rescue line of the day.
My favorite part.
Today's rescue line is, sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?
Oh, that's good.
Use this when someone speaks too fast or you didn't understand. It's polite and natural.
Sorry, I didn't catch that. What does catch mean here?
Great question. Here, catch means hear or understand. I didn't catch that sounds softer than I don't understand. Native speakers use it all the time.
Even native speakers?
Yes, everyone misses things sometimes. This phrase is completely normal. Let's practice. Say it out loud with me.
Okay.
Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Could you say it again? Now together. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again? Here are two alternatives. Number 1. Sorry, could you repeat that?
Sorry, could you repeat that?
Number 2. One more time, please.
One more time, please? That one's easy.
3 ways to ask someone to repeat. Pick the one you like. Use it when you don't understand. It works every time.
No more freezing and nodding like I understand.
Exactly. Asking is smart, not weak. Okay, Ben, now let's do some real practice. We're going to do 2 role plays, and I want you to make mistakes.
That won't be hard.
That's the point. Mistakes are normal. What matters is how you recover. Ready?
Ready.
Situation. You bought shoes online. They're too big. You're at the store to return them. I'm the cashier. Go.
Okay. Hi.
Hi, how can I help you today?
I have this shoes? No, wait. These shoes. I have these shoes.
Good correction. These shoes is right. One shoe, two shoes. This shoe or these shoes.
Right. So I have these shoes, and they are too big? Too much big.
Almost. Not too much big, just too big.
Too big. They are too big.
Do you have your receipt?
Let me think. The paper? What's the word?
Receipt.
Receipt. Yes. Sorry, I forgot the word. Here is my receipt.
No problem. Would you like to exchange them for a smaller size?
What does exchange mean again? Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Good. You used the rescue line. Exchange means trade for a different one.
Oh, okay. Yes, I want to exchange. I need a smaller size?
What size do you need?
I think 9? Size 9.
Let me check if we have size 9. One moment.
Thank you. Thanks you. No, wait. Thank you.
Okay, let's pause. Ben, that was real. You made mistakes, but you kept going. You corrected this shoes to these shoes. You asked for help when you forgot receipt. You used I didn't catch that. That's exactly what we want.
It felt messy, though.
Messy is fine. Communication happened. Now let's try again. Same situation, but smoother. Round 2. Same situation, returning shoes that are too big.
Okay. I'm ready.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi. I'd like to return these shoes, please.
Of course. Is there a problem with them?
Yes, they're too big. I ordered the wrong size online.
I see. Do you have your receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Perfect. Would you like a refund or an exchange?
I'd like to exchange them for a smaller size, please. Do you have these in a size 9?
Let me check for you. Yes, we have size 9 in stock.
Oh, great. I'll take those, please.
Here you go. Is there anything else I can help you with?
No, that's everything. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Ben, that was so much better.
It felt better. I used I'd like to and do you have these in a size 9?
Yes, and you said, I'll take those at the end. That's very natural when you're buying something. I'll take it or I'll take those.
Oh yeah, I just said it without thinking.
That's the goal. Practice enough and it becomes automatic. I like round 2 Ben. He's more confident.
Round 1 Ben is also good. He made mistakes, but he didn't give up. Both are success.
Okay, quick cultural tip for shopping in English.
I love these.
In American stores, the workers often ask, "Can I help you find something?" right when you walk in.
Yeah, that surprised me the first time. I thought I was doing something wrong.
No, it's just customer service. They're being friendly. You don't have to buy anything.
So what do I say if I'm just looking?
You say, "No thanks, I'm just looking," or "I'm just browsing, thanks."
I'm just browsing. What does browsing mean?
Browsing means looking around without a plan to buy, just checking what's there.
Oh, like browsing the internet.
Exactly the same word. Browsing a store, browsing online, same meaning.
I'm just browsing. Thanks. That's easy.
And if you need help later, you can say, "Actually, could you help me find something?"
Actually, could you help me find something? I like starting with actually.
It's a nice way to change your answer. First, "I'm just browsing," then later, "Actually, could you help me?" Very natural. All right, rapid review time. We're going to review the key phrases from today. Say them out loud with us.
Let's go.
Phrase 1. when you need a different size. Do you have this in a larger size?
Do you have this in a larger size?
Phrase 2. When you want to know the price. How much is this?
How much is this?
Phrase 3. When you want to return something. I'd like to return this, please.
I'd like to return this, please.
Phrase 4. When you want your money back. I'd like a refund, please.
I'd like a refund, please.
Phrase 5. When you're just looking. I'm just browsing, thanks.
I'm just browsing, thanks.
And your rescue line for today. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?
Sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you say it again?
One more thing. Pronunciation tip.
Ooh, what is it?
The word receipt. The P is silent.
Wait, really?
Yes, it's not receipt with a P sound. It's receipt. Receipt.
Receipt. Receipt. Huh, I've been saying it wrong.
Many learners do. The P is there in spelling, but we don't pronounce it. Receipt.
Receipt. Got it.
Say it one more time. Do you have your receipt?
Do you have your receipt?
Perfect. Okay, it's challenge time.
What's this week's challenge?
This week, I want you to write in the comments one shopping phrase you want to learn. Maybe there's a situation we didn't cover, something you find difficult. Write it down and we might teach it in a future episode.
Oh, I like that. What if someone wants to, ask for a discount?
Perfect example. Write it in the comments. How do I ask for a discount? And we'll help you.
Or, if you tried using one of today's phrases in real life, tell us how it went.
Yes, we love hearing your stories.
Here's an easy one, too. What's the last thing you bought? Just write one sentence. I bought, and finish it.
Great practice. I bought shoes. I bought a jacket. Simple and useful.
All right, Rachel, I think we did it.
We did. So if this episode helped you, please subscribe to Fear Free English Club. Hit the follow button so you don't miss the next one.
And leave us a rating if you can. It really helps other learners find us.
Share this with a friend who's learning English. You can practice together.
That's a good idea, actually. Practice with a friend.
Before you go, I want to say something. If you understood this episode, your English is better than you think.
That's true. If you're listening to a 20-minute podcast in English, you're doing amazing.
Don't wait until you're perfect to speak. Speak now. Make mistakes. Use your rescue lines. That's how you improve.
You're doing great. Keep going.
We'll see you in the next episode of Fear Free English Club.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.